Welcome to Lesson 10 in the PopViz Roblox course. In this lesson, we'll go over how to use the Toolbox. Okay, so I have a demo here for you. Let me switch to that. Okay, so there's literally a million things in the Roblox Toolbox. And one of those things that we have is right here. I actually had to turn the music volume down just because it's a little annoying. Hope that's not too loud right there. Okay. So you can add music to your games. I'll show you how to do that. The other thing I did is I worked a little bit on, let me see if I can do this. Yeah, actually, well, right now it's a little covered up, but you can see I added some clouds and I made the sun bigger and I added some sun rays here. And you can make Roblox games look like photographs. They can look incredibly what's called photorealistic. But the thing is that if you make them like that, they will run very slowly, except on some really fast computers. So yes, it looks fantastic, but unless you're running a gaming PC, you're just not going to be able to see it very smoothly. Okay, but let me show you some of the things that come with Roblox Studio or Roblox Toolbox. So one thing is you can make or you can add structures. So over here I have the Roblox treehouse, and you can climb up this treehouse. And I think that's the top. Oh wait, no, still a little bit more. This thing's pretty big. I think that's the top. Wait, is that it? Yeah, I think that's the top. Okay, so, structures, all kinds of structures. There's restaurants, there's all kinds of buildings, and you can add them. And I think I can jump off this. Yeah, okay. The other thing that they have in Roblox, a ton of, are vehicles. And so I've got a few vehicles over here. And these are all working vehicles. They've actually got scripts that let them work. You just enter and you have a working car. Okay, and actually let me ride this car over to the next thing. Okay, so those are the vehicles. Actually, I also have a horse over here that you can ride. And my music stopped. Oh wait, no, there it goes. Okay, so you can ride the horse, and down here it actually gives you some instructions. It says press L shift to dismount. So you have to be on the lookout for that. I couldn't actually figure out how to get off this thing, but he will jump. Let me zoom out a little bit. So this little guy will walk around and he will actually jump. And then again, left shift will dismount. Okay, so what else is there? Let's see. Well, there's also decorations. So over here, I added a campfire or campsite from the Toolbox, except it seems to, yeah, some of the seats don't face the right direction. But, it's pretty nice. You can sit around this thing. Okay, the other thing that I got, oh yeah, I got a tent. And you can actually click on these windows and they let you see inside. The door doesn't work. And there's actually a few of these, and some of them, I don't know if they're copies or what, but some of these, when you go inside, let me show you. Let me zoom in. Yeah, some of these, when you go inside and you step on the tent of the beds, they'll actually let you sleep. But this one doesn't work. So yeah, there's different versions of this. The other thing is, over here I have food, but for some reason, I'm on my table. Let me zoom out. For some reason on my table, I put this food, but whenever the game starts, it falls off. Anyway, you can also sit at this table. They have chairs. And let's see what else is there. I think that's it. Oh, I forgot my favorite part. So I really love dogs. So I added a little dog pen over here, and I put a couple of dogs. I think that's a bulldog. I don't know what kind that is. These don't move, but he does fall down. This guy doesn't though. Okay. And that's it. I actually was trying to add some more stuff. And some of these models can get really monstrous, and they started actually crashing my Roblox studio. So this is all I added for now. But let's go ahead and learn how to add some of this stuff. So let's quit this and open Roblox Studio.